The Infinity Corner Radius template set includes everything you need to add perfect radius corners to any project and includes the templates, router bit, and double-sided tape to make the job a breeze. The 3 included corner radius templates provide 12 different radius options from 1/8 of an inch all the way to a full 1 inch and include locating pins, making it easy to ensure the template is positioned perfectly on the corner of your workpiece. Each template can be secured using either the included wood screws or with a piece or two of the included roll of double-sided tape. The double bearing pattern router bit has a bearing both above and below the cutters. The 1/4 inch shank and 1/2 inch cutting diameter allow for use in everything from a compact or trim router all the way to a full-sized router table. With a 1 inch cutting height, this set can be used with material up to a full 1 inch thick. For thicker stock, Infinity offers a complete line of flush trim and pattern router bits to suit almost any application. Be sure to follow the links in the description below for more information on where to purchase your Infinity exclusive corner radius template set.